So the first Copart build didn't quite go as planned. Hey guys, so just a quick update. This is the first build, well the first purchase from Copart that we've done, and this was going to be the first rebuild video, but it has changed already. So if you think you can make money out of Copart, you definitely can. So I've bought this 2009 Ford Focus. As you can see, it's only got 52,000 miles on it, 52125 miles. Absolutely immaculate inside. This car arrived last week with every intention of being the first Copart build video for the channel, but it didn't quite work out that way. After just 1 week of having the car, somebody has purchased it from us already. He's a rear screen and 5-speed gearbox, just a Z-Tech model, but it is absolutely immaculate. So I'm going to show you the damage outside. That was categorised as an insurance write-off, category N. Category N, often referred to as Cat N cars, is a term used by insurance providers to describe the severity of the damage of cars. So this is the damage here. The bumper, front bumper, a few cracks on it, nothing major. Had some scratches here, but I've buffed those out. And this is the main damage. The bumper here, bumper's cracked all down there, big split here, and a dent in the rear arch. But apart from that, it is absolutely a little dent there, but nothing major. But the main thing is we've not had to do anything to it at all. So as I said, I bought this out of Copart for £11.46 delivered. It was £150 delivery. £11.46 I bought this for. It's sat in my driveway for almost a week now, and it's sold for £1,600. So I've let it go for £1,600, and we've not done anything to it at all. We haven't done one single thing. The only thing we've done is buff that scratch out on the rear quarter, and I might just go around with the buffer, make it all nice and shiny, and buff the rest of it out. So that is my first Copart purchase, and the answer is, can you make money out of Copart? And I just have. So I've just made £450 from a Copart purchase, and I've not even done anything. So yeah, you can make money out of Copart. That's the scratch just there on the side door, but we're gonna fill that in, buff that out.